Hi, I'm Tom. For almost over 2 decades now, I've been captivated by two things: Apple computers and automating repetitive tasks with them. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by today's automation software like Python and Selenium because you just don't want to learn how to code, then I can help you. Because I specialize in a completely new approach of web automation and web scraping based on advanced image recognition capabilities. Or let me put it this way, I use screenshots instead of code. It might sound ridiculous at first, but my approach comes with two revolutionary advantages. You don't have to write a single line of code, and it can be used on platforms which normally prohibit automated workflows in their terms of services. On my YouTube channel, I break down real-life automation examples step by step for you, which you can recreate easily by yourself. Plus, on Fiverr, I offer the same automation workflows as ready-to-use preset files for you to download, including detailed video instructions on how to finish the automation on your own Mac at home. Imagine seamlessly automated tasks on any website undetected. That's what I offer. Web Automation 2.0, if you will. Thanks for stopping by, and remember, I'm just a message away. Let's make automation work for you.